I would like to discuss automated functional testing. This is part 4 of the 5-part functional testing series. This time around, I'm going to discuss automation scheduling and remote execution. Now, continuing from part 3, we're actually going to run the test remotely from anywhere, anywhere you are. So basically, what we're going to do first, from the test we actually created from the test plan, we will add it to the test lab. All right, so I'm going to create a folder first. So let's name it by the application itself. Now in this folder, we're going to create a test set. Okay. Let's name this one applied application test. Okay. Press OK. Now on this test set, we have the ability to add multiple tests and execute them at the same time. So let me just show you how to do that. So I'm going to select a test. So initially we actually created a test plan from the part 1 of the series. Now I'm going to get a test script, flight GUI application test. Now we're going to add it. Right. Okay. Now we have successfully added it. Now we're going to run the test remotely from this web application and run the script or the test to the environment where we want it to run. Now I'm going to run the test set. Okay, so I'm going to run it to the host and run the test. So I'm going to run it. Imagine having that ability to run thousands of tests remotely anywhere you are. How much time we can actually save and get the results remotely as well. Now it's connecting. As you can see, it has actually called the service. UFT is currently running. Now it's running the test. Brilliant. Everything's going well. So at this instance, we're actually running in only one environment. We have the ability to actually run multiple tests in multiple environments at the same time, being done remotely. Due to the length of time of the test, due to the power of video editing, I'm going to pause the video and come back as soon as the test finishes. Now we're back and all test has passed. Brilliant. Now, so after running the test remotely, it has also the ability to run the test on a scheduled manner. Let me just exit from here. Now, go to execution flow. Right. On execution flow, gonna right click on the test itself. Test run schedule. Now on test run schedule, it's gonna be execute conditions or a time dependency. So we're on time dependency, run at any time or run at specified time. So I'm gonna choose probably 2 minutes from now. Okay. 50. Okay. So I need to change that. dependency. 7:50. Let's choose the correct time dependency. Let's put 7:53, which is 7:51 right now in my time. Press OK. Now, how to trigger it is basically run the test set, and it will stop into it. I mean, it will be on the waiting queue until it reaches the correct time, which is specified in the schedule. So let's run this scheduled test. So what we're trying to do here is basically um, run a test remotely in a specific environment, wherever you are, on a scheduled time. Now, due to the length of the time of the test, I'm gonna post a video and come back to you after the test finishes. Fantastic. Now the test run is passed. Let's go to the test runs. As you can see, we had 2 tests running. Let me just refresh this one. There. This proper data. So we had 2 tests, 7:52 and 7:41. Seems to be there's a slight discrepancy in the server time and the application time. Right. So thank you for watching my video on the part 4 series. Please continue watching on part 5, the last part of the 5-part series of automated functional testing. Thank you so much for watching my video.